At the end of the road, go left. The first road on the right. So you've got to come into the box. So down to about 12. You can do it in second. So, nice and easy. Mirror check. There you are. Roundabout, first exit left. And we've got to treat it like a crossroad. Scan all sides. Mirror check. Mirror check to pass the parked vehicle. Just hover over the brake as well. A bit more brakes, we can't see what's around the corner. End of the road, go right. So there's space in the middle to it. And what you want to do is you want to stop pretty much, it's kind of straightish. You don't want to stay too much over in that middle bit. Get your first gear ready. Yeah, nice enough, slow. Have a look. We're going to stop for the red car. Nice and easy. No, don't look, you've done it again. You've stayed too much.
Alright.
Yeah, because we want to go to the left lane. Off you go. Into the left lane. Left lane. So can you see ahead on the left? Yeah, so we're going to come across, check. Don't slow down though, carry on. Roundabout, you're going straight ahead. Approaching second gear. A little bit of brake. Start scanning to your right. Just peeping, no staring. That's it. Off we go. What are you going to do here? Yeah. There's a hazard ahead. Change direction. Good. At the roundabout, we're going to go left, new speed sign. Good. Not too, that's good. Don't worry about the signal. Quick mirror check. There you go, well done. Still 30 until you pass this sign. Mirror check to change the speed. And off we go. Mirror, sorry. It's like you flinched there. The middle box. Good. New speed sign, don't know if you saw that one. Yeah, good. Roundabout, go left. Mini roundabout, treat it like a crossroad. no gas, no gas, no gas. That's it. Mirror check. Good decision, because that vehicle turned right, but try not to add the gas on the steer, especially on a narrow road. Yeah, traffic lights go right. Right, pull up somewhere safe on the left. Don't worry about the gear, focus on the stopping. Good. No, neutral, neutral, handbrake, signal off. So this would be classed as your hill start. Make sure you don't roll back. Excuse me, when do we do the final check? Before the car moves as well. Yeah. Right, when you're ready. No, don't indicate yet. Get all your checks in. Final, yeah. Good. That's good. Got a big decline, so you're just going to hover over your brake as well. So this is Elland down here, isn't it?
Mighty Elland.
Mighty Elland. Not as good as Mighty Man United.
Better than Mighty Bradford though, I reckon.
Yeah.
Let me know in the YouTube channel. Man United are winning the league 2028. Something. I don't know if the viewers can see, but there's actually a sign in front of us that says like and subscribe, so you better do that. Don't make the rules, sorry.
Take note of what he said.
The sign was a red triangle as well, so.
Right. Right, at the end we're going to go left, and at the roundabout go left. Get your second brigade ready now, it's getting a bit steeper. So let's deal with this. Slow down. That's it. Ease off the gas for the bend. Why have you just failed your driving test though? You're not on a 30? 33, 34 is a fail, mate. Don't worry about TikTok later.
Reckless driving.
Reckless driving. Right. Now you want a new speed limit. Mirror checks, and then we build our speed up. But wait until we get kind of out of this bend, or in the centre of your lane. So I'm going to join the dual carriageway, build up a bit more speed. That's it. Mirror signal to join. Just wait for your safe car. Yeah, it looks clear, have a check. Get into the lane first and then cancel. Taking the first exit left. It's a second. Oh, traffic lights as well. Now this lane allows you to go straight ahead as well.
Yep.
So there must mirror signal left to come off.
I mean, what kind of driver wouldn't do that? Do you know what I mean?
Mirrors. Mirror signal. Good. Take the first road on the right, just before the next island. So mirror signal, get into that middle box. Yeah. Good.
I like this road.
This one. You can see the new speed sign. What is it? Good man. Have you driven on this one before?
You got paintballing down here.
Right.
But of course, these days I don't have time for paintballing because I'm too busy watching YouTube videos. Which you should subscribe to, of course.
I've done the indoor version of it.
Yeah.
That's with the electronic guns.
Oh yeah. Oh, some of those are leaked. When they do it, like the automatic ones, they are crazy.
Laser tag.
Oh,
That's
I see,
what I've
I
done.
see.
A bit more brake here.
What about bumper cars?
Yeah, everyone's done bumpy bumpies.
I was going to say, because we're going to do it in about 5 minutes.
Just off the gas for this one. Pull up somewhere safe on the left. Don't worry about the gears. Come in. Get a little bit closer to this car. Don't worry about the driveway. And stop. This is going to be an angle start. That's it, that's it, that's it. Oh. Camera new. Move off when it's safe. 360. Indicate. Final check before you move. Less space, less speed. No hazard. Don't you dare, Mr. Just Eat. You was going to pull out in front of you then.
He thought about it. And he saw how menacing I looked behind the wheel.
Yeah, of course. Traffic lights go left. Just cover your brake, no gas on this one. We're going to use the left lane to go straight ahead. A bit close, no tyres and tarmac. They can mark you down for that, yeah. To first gear. Oh, yeah. Mirrors, mirrors, mirrors. And then create some space now. Nice and slow.
I think I should take that.
Yeah, slowly. You just can keep a foot on either side. That's good. If it's less than a foot, then obviously not. Mini roundabout goes straight ahead.
Sure.
Again, scan every other side. Nearly. Back into second gear, gently, 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 gently. Less space.
Can you stick into that road as well?
That's the end of that route. Not too bad. Oh, there you go.
Like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and you can have me on Instagram while you're at it.
Pull up on the left. Oh.